Why Advanta Tuff-Seal? Advanta Tuff-Seal is a 1/4 inch thick, industrial strength vinyl tile that does things other floors don't and goes where other floors won't. It forms a liquid and dirt-tight surface that stands up to heavy rolling loads, offers superior chemical resistance, and requires very little maintenance. The ease and speed of installing a Tuff-Seal floor makes it particularly unusual. It requires little or no subfloor preparation, and assembling tiles using its patented hidden interlock design requires no adhesive, special skills, or equipment. You simply overlap the tiles and tap the joints together. Voila! Instant floor. Lay Tuff-Seal tiles over an existing floor to solve problems, or use it in new construction to prevent them. Its clean industrial style and wide palette of colors allows you to radically transform the look and feel of a space in a matter of hours. Think Advanta Tuff-Seal for warehouses, military facilities, manufacturing areas, laboratories, garages, and other spaces where you need an industrial strength, stylish floor that's easy and economical to install.